Good morning, YouTube. Well, today we're going to work on Tim's 348, doing something with the exhaust. I'm not exactly sure what.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, this is my garage, and this channel is all about the supercar ownership experience, buying and selling them, maintaining them, DIY work on them, and today we are going to continue on with some DIY work on Tim's 348. So you've seen this car, we did the major on it.
We got fucking. Did you get some in your mouth?
Yeah.
How'd it taste?
Oh.
It's coming over there.
Oh. Oh.
He's going to pull it in here, we're going to get it up on the lifts and do some work on the exhaust.
Oh yeah.
Sounds good. They're so much smaller. We noticed the same thing when we did Jeff's 355 in here. It's just takes up like so. Look at that.
Oh my God, yeah.
Look how much bigger the three. Look at this. Tim's car is basically at the same position as the 430, and there is like 2 feet more car. Okay, we've got the shop dog mow, and you remember Tim. So what are we doing today, Tim?
We are pulling the exhaust in the rear bumper so we can weld new O2 bungs because you can see them hidden right here. Steve Maxwell custom built this exhaust, tuned X pipe.
Yeah.
And it had been sitting in his shop for a while, and the bungs were corroded, and we were in a hurry to get it going last year, and we just rammed the O2 sensors home. And so I have one bad O2 sensor for sure, and so we're gonna just fix it correctly this time and weld in new bungs.
So we gotta get the exhaust out. I'm gonna let you do the work.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I don't feel like getting dirty. All right, we gotta get the wheels off. So we're first gonna loosen the lugs. Well, yeah, that'll teach you to get your face in the way. Mo determined that Tim cannot do this without help.
Bud. What do you think? Did I get it in the right place? Huh?
Mo.
You big silly boy.
Jeez.
Are you my boy?
Moses, you are a pain in the ass.
Oh.
The prancing
Got a
gossip.
buddy.
Basoto rampante.
Here, let's just mount you right here. There we go.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Alright, fender liners out. Airbox out, we've got the heat shield out, or at least the front heat shield. See, I think that's all you need.
I don't know, because these long pipes go clear up under the frame here.
Yeah, but you drop it down and then just kind of weave it out.
If you think we can do it.
I think it's worth a shot.
Okay.
I would rather try it first and not have to pull the bumper. Exhaust is disconnected. I think you gotta get those O2 wires.
Oh, yeah, good plan.
Don't want to break those. Perfect. Now just do a little Jenga. Gotta rotate it. Yep. Come on.
I don't think it will.
Now push it back. Push it back. There you go. Now rotate it. There you go.
Zinga.
Yahtzee.
All right. That wasn't bad.
That was not bad at all. So we gotta get those bungs redone?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm going to weld in test bungs back here. That way we can stick an AFR in there.
Oh, nice. And we're off to the muffler shop so we can get the bungs welded in.
For those of you that don't know what a bung is, or have dirty minds.
Yeah, or both.
There's a bung.
There's a bung.
Actually, a bit of trivia, naval trivia. Do you know where the term bung comes from?
It has to do with the barrels. Like
It is.
A barrel of wine, right?
Yeah, it's the plug for the barrel of wine.
Yeah, so the bung hole is literally the plug.
The hole in the cask.
Yep.
2 hours later.
All right, we're back from the muffler shop. So we had new bungs welded on. We refinished the old bungs. So this way we can actually put in like a tester and actually really tune this car properly later on. So right now we're just gonna cap them off, and then the front ones will have the O2 sensors, rear ones we can use later. And then we have new O2 sensors right here. Real little ones. Start putting stuff together. Shop dog Mo has assumed the position. New O2 sensors are in, exhaust is in. Now we gotta put all the stuff back on, airbox, wheel houses, heat shield, and then of course we gotta take it for a test drive.
The best part.
Yes, that is one tired sack of meat. Look at. Oh yeah, you guys remember when I did the Trace My Space stuff, how I had some wobbly parts? Well, we added a second layer, and now, look at that. No more wobble, everything stays put. So all we did is basically just double up the foam right here, and that works perfectly. Oh yeah, look at that. Here's some tool porn for you guys. Look at that. Oh yeah, so organized. Yes. Yes. With my logo. Yes. Actually, I really like these ones too. It looks so sweet. Go to tracemyspace.com, use the code NGSFREE, and you'll get free shipping. You are not helpful right now, Mo. There it is.
So much easier.
Yeah. All right, she's all back together. Time to get on the ground. Ta-da! Let's fire it up. See if it's good to go. All right, let's go for a ride. Just got done driving the 348. Tim's gonna take us home because he's gonna be able to drive it more fun than I am. I think we can turn around up here somewhere. It's cul-de-sac. Yeah, I know, right? Oh shit. Another one.
I don't know why they're responding.
See you, man.
Thanks, Dad.
See you, dude.
It's gonna be sweet.
It's gonna be sweet. All right, we got the idle problem solved. So now once he comes down off of a higher rev, settles right back down to 1,000 RPMs, no surging, all set. So basically it did need those new O2 sensors, and having those new bungs welded in and refinishing the old bungs so that they seal better is kind of what we think was the solutions. All is well in the land of Tim and the 348. So we're gonna actually take it out to dyno pretty soon and get some final horsepower numbers on that. I know we said we were gonna do that like almost a year ago. We will eventually do that and we'll see what numbers it puts down. Also, I'm gonna put this car down on the dyno sometime soon so we can actually see how much we gained doing the tune and with exhaust and all that good stuff. All those things are coming up pretty soon, but don't forget, we are coming up right on 55,000 subscribers, so one of you is gonna win a kit of the slip blow scrape guards. In order to win, go to my website, normalguysupercar.com, buy some merch, or sign up on my email list, or become a member of the channel. If you do any of those three things, you're automatically entered to win. You do have to be a subscriber to the channel as well. But if you want some slip blow scrape guards, go to bit.ly/NGSscrape, use the code NGS10. They're gonna hook you up with 10% off. You can see they're handy little scrape guards. They can flex into any position. So basically, they're universal and can go on any of your cars. So all of you with low cars that don't wanna get your bumpers screwed up, well, here's a cheap, easy solution to meet your needs. All right, that's the do for today. So you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it when you guys can like, share, and subscribe. Those things do genuinely help out my channel. So thank you very much for those of you that are doing it. We've got a ton of car stuff coming your way, so you're gonna wanna stay tuned. It's gonna be sweet.